Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Gmail in Windows 10 PC using Google Chrome browser. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC, then visit gmail.com and then sign into your account. After that, click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select save and share option and then click on this one create shortcut. By default, Gmail will open in a new tab in Google Chrome browser. In case you want to open in a new window, you need to check this one option open as window, then click on this one create button. This will create a desktop shortcut for Gmail in your Windows 10 PC. Whenever you want to access this one Gmail, double click on this one Gmail desktop shortcut icon and it will open in your Google Chrome browser.